What is an Israeli permanent residency and when can it be cancelled? Hi, my name is Joshua Pex. I'm a lawyer at the law offices of Cohen Decker Pex Blosh, and we're going to talk a little bit about an Israeli permanent residency and how this status may be revoked or annulled. Well, first of all, it's important to know that an Israeli permanent resident is someone that resides permanently in Israel, holds an Israeli ID, and for many purposes in the daily life, a permanent resident and a citizen are very much the same. The only difference between a permanent resident and a citizen is that, or the main difference is, that only citizens can have an Israeli passport. So this is the first main difference. The second main difference is that only citizens of Israel can vote in the general elections to the Israeli parliament. Also, permanent residents can vote, but only for municipal elections. Well, many people ask us, how may my permanent residency be revoked? So it's very important to know that according to the Israeli immigration laws, if a permanent resident resides outside of Israel for more than 7 years and effectively moved their center of life outside the borders of Israel, their status of permanent residency may be annulled. Another situation where the permanent residency can be cancelled is if this permanent resident of Israel actively requests another foreign nationality. Once he or she receives this other nationality, their permanent residency may be cancelled. We've had clients, for example, that have been a few years outside of Israel, and then when they come back, they go to the Israeli Minister of Interior, Misrad Apnim, in order to renew their Israeli ID, their Teudat Zehut, and then they're told that because they've been residing outside of Israel, their permanent residency has been annulled. So what can you do if you have this kind of situation? Many times what we try to show is that even though this person did reside outside of Israel, their center of life did remain in Israel, and they have all kinds of family ties, business ties, a home, maybe property in Israel, and their center of life actually never moved outside of Israel. So if you have any questions regarding Israeli permanent residency, please contact us. Thank you for listening.